Now, do you want to put him in the middle of those straps?
Should I get in the middle and
grab
the bar?
Yep. All right.
I got you.
Yeah, don't let it squish it.
That's perfect. All right, you ready? Let me know when you
Tyler,
pull
get on
at
there.
the same time.
Okay.
Tyler, get on there.
Get over here somewhere, Tyler.
I'm pulling. 1,
2,
3.
Oh, hold on.
a good one.
I can't.
Nope.
I'm jammed up in here. Damn.
Alright, so let's lay it on the carpet.
Huh? Oh, the dolly?
Yeah.
Okay. On your leg. Yep.
There, you get up from
Let me
underneath
push
it.
it. Let me push it towards you guys a little bit real quick so I don't fall.
I got you. Lay it down. Okay, everybody get on it. You get up here.
I see what you're saying. Okay.
1,
Interesting.
2,
Hang on, what Tyler gets?
go.
Ready? Hang on, let's do this uniform. 1, 2,
3.
pull. 1, 2, pull.
Oh. You gotta go over.
It's gotta go over.
Gotta go over.
Alright.
There it is. 1,
1, 2, 3.
Pull.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pull. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. Pull. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. I'll pull.
Where we at? What's going on?
pull.
Roll.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
We're hitting something.
Wall.
Okay.
We gotta get up
One.
here. We gotta get up here.
2,
3.
1,
1,
2,
3.
1, 2,
3.
Come on. Come on. Push it.
Push, 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 push.
Pull. Yes.
Holy shit.
We got it up here, yo.
Pat yourself on the back. Holy crap.
You got it for me.
Thanks, man. I know.
You made it happen. That's crazy, baby.
Woo. How you guys notice feel down there?
I was using my back.
Literally.
That was just the first one. That was the hardest
So,
one.
Josh, your right side, you see that buckle? The buckle's caught on the wall frame.
Okay.
So we gotta come to, yep.
There's not much I can really do about it.
Yep, just give
Yeah.
it one more little, there we go, that's all.
Okay, perfect.
Ready?
Ready? 1,
2, 3.
3.
One more.
1, 2, 3.
Ah. There it is.
Oh, sorry.
There it is. Mother of mothers.
We gotta pull it out just a little bit more so you guys get out of here.
No, it can sit there for about 30 seconds.
All right, perfect.
Yes, you are. Oh.